Welcome to this tutorial on SVN Updates. In this video, we'll explore how to efficiently update your SVN working copy using a single command. SVN, or Subversion, is a popular version control system used by developers to manage changes in their codebase. One of the key features of SVN is the ability to update your working copy to reflect changes made in the repository. However, manually updating your SVN working copy can be a tedious and time-consuming process, especially when dealing with large codebases or multiple directories. Imagine having to update each directory individually. It's a daunting task. The solution lies in using the recursive option with the SVN Update command. By adding the recursive flag, you can update your entire SVN working copy with a single command. This saves you time and effort and ensures that your working copy is always up to date. Let's take a look at an example. Suppose we have a directory structure with multiple subdirectories, and we want to update our working copy to reflect changes made in the repository. We can use the following command, SVN Update, Recursive. This command will update our entire working copy, including all subdirectories. While the recursive SVN Update command is powerful, it's essential to use it with caution. Be aware of any changes made to your working copy and ensure that you're not overriding any local modifications. It's also a good practice to test your updates in a non-production environment before applying them to your live codebase. In summary, the recursive SVN Update command is a powerful tool that can save you time and effort when updating your SVN working copy. By using the recursive flag, you can update your entire codebase with a single command. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.